Okay, so I'm replacing my original Mercedes Benz floor mats. This is a 2004 E500 with these inexpensive ones, rubber mats that I found at Advanced Auto Parts. That's the model number 505G. Obviously, they're not an exact fit, but they have this trim to fit. You can trim it, and it's got an anti-slip back. And then later on what I'll do is I'll install these original uh, clips that I removed from my original floor mats. I'll make a hole in these at the right spot and install these in the new floor mats. Hopefully that'll work. um, this is those clips. That's the model number, Hebu UT0102 SFG-BA66. Okay, so I cleaned the base below the floor mats. It was really dirty, and now I'm going to install the floor mats. I'll probably use this one on the driver's side because the accelerator, I would need space for it, so this has got that space. The original floor mats are not the same shape. This is the driver's side and this is the passenger side, but I'm okay with that. So I'll just first install this floor mat and basically pop it in there like this. It's not an exact fit, but what I'll do is I'll slide this base so it's aligned with. I'll probably trim this part. It's got a sign or a scissor also, and then this, it looks like this, so it's not an exact fit, but that part over there I can trim out so there's enough space for the foot on the accelerator and it won't overlap like that. And this part, I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably just leave it like this. It's not an exact fit, but that's okay. So that's basically this floor mat, and the passenger side I think should just fit just fine, because there's no accelerator, no space needed. So I'll just go to the passenger side and just pop it in there like this. Yeah, this seems just fine. Doesn't need any space or anything like that for. And I'll trim this part here so it fits nice, and I think this should be okay. It doesn't go all the way to the top, but then that's fine. So I think these should do.